Hello everybody and welcome back to another Perler Bead tutorial. I'm going to be showing you how you can make your very own Bonnie from Five Nights at Freddy's. Let's get started. Here are going to be all the colors you're going to be needing, as well as the number of beads there are. It's really important to iron it on both sides so that it holds well. Here's also going to be the first set of pieces you're going to be needing. Set of pieces and it is going to be the back, the tail, and the arms. To make the ears. These are a bit complex, so I'm just going to show you step by step how it's done. So you're also going to need some masking tape and make sure to glue it on just like I did. Then put the beads on and make sure they're stuck together so that when you iron them, they're going to all fuse. Now we're just going to continue the pattern on and make sure yours looks exactly like mine. Next, we're going to iron it again on both sides. And once you have that, you're going to make sure it bends so that it looks realistic. The final set of pieces is going to be the ears and the legs. Also, make sure to follow the tutorial I just made on how to make the ears. If you like this video, please comment down below what you want me to make next, and your dreams might come true. Also, please like, subscribe, and also just join my Discord, which I'll leave in the description. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.